Hey everyone, welcome back to Sandra's Tasteful Adventures. Today I have a treat in store for you. We're diving into the delicious world of coconut macaroons dipped in chocolate. If you got a sweet tooth, you're in for a real treat. So grab your apron and let's get baking. First things first, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need shredded coconut, sweetened condensed milk, and a pinch of salt for the macaroons. And of course, don't forget the chocolate for dipping. I recommend using high quality dark chocolate for that rich flavor. In a large bowl, combine the shredded coconut, sweetened condensed milk, and a pinch of salt. Mix everything until well combined. The sweet aroma of coconut is already making my kitchen smell amazing. Now let's beat our egg whites. While beating, add in the sugar and beat until you see stiff peaks. Now combine the whipped egg whites with the coconut mixture until well combined. Now comes the fun part, shaping the macaroons. Here's an easy trick that I use. Using a small ice cream scoop, scoop a small portion of the mixture and place it on a lined baking sheet. Pop them into the oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes or until they turn a beautiful golden brown. The anticipation is real. While the macaroons are cooling, let's melt our chocolate. Once melted, dip each macaroon into the chocolate, ensuring they are generously coated. The contrast of the sweet coconut and rich chocolate is simply divine. And there you have it, our irresistible coconut macaroons dipped in chocolate. These little bites of heaven are perfect for any occasion. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tasty treats, and let me know in the comments what you like to see next. Until next time, happy baking!